Some mornings feel different. The forest feels alive today. I just wanted a quiet walk. Wait, what was that? That didn't sound like the wind. Someone is there. Oh no. You're hurt, aren't you? Don't be scared. It's okay. I won't harm you. I'm right here. This might help a little. Stay still, please. You're being very brave. You see, that wasn't so bad. I told you I wouldn't hurt you. That's good. Try again. Don't give up so quickly. I'm so proud of you. See? You're stronger than you think. Sometimes we just need a little help. Do you hear that? I think someone is calling you. That's where you belong. Don't worry, I was just helping. She's safe now. You can take her home. Bye, little one. Stay safe. That was unexpected. Sometimes helping someone is the best part of your day.
Hi everyone! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so they can see it too. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures like this!